In this episode, we are going to build a quick splash screen animation using animated API from React Native. This is how it looked like once we completed the app. So let's dive into the code. We have the boilerplate code. So first we are going to animate this text below this logo. So first initialize a constant const move anim equals use ref new animator dot value of 0 dot current, and inside our use effect animator dot timing move anim with a duration of 2 seconds and to value. So let's give the width of the screen. So dimensions dot width dimensions dot get window dot width and delay of 0. Use native driver false and start the animation. Let's bind this animation to this view. So animator dot view animator dot view, give a margin left, move anim. Cannot find variable animator. Animated, yeah, animated, yeah, its animation is working. So we can give this width or the margin left to width divided by 1.6. Yeah, perfect. So then we have to animate from left to the initial position. So for that we can serialize this animation. So animation dot sequence inside the array. This is the first animation. Then second animation is the two values should be 0 and start. Let's run this. Oh, two value 0 to 0. Start. This is wrong actually. Put the start here. Let's run this. Yeah, it's working. So then we can give an opacity to this text. So animated dot timing fade anim with a duration of 2 seconds and to value. Opacity is from 0 to 1. So native value is 1, and delay of, let's give a delay of 2 seconds, and use native driver farce. And here const fade anim equal use ref new animator dot value of 0 dot current, and wrap this animation with this text logo. For that we will change the text to animator dot text. We're only giving opacity to this second text, so inside this object opacity is fade anim. Okay, or something retro opacity fade anim. Okay, 0 delay is 2000. We can we'll try by giving a delay of 100. Okay, yeah, we have to start this animation. Start. Yeah, perfect. We will try giving 2000. Nice. Now we can give the animation to this logo also, so give an opacity of fade anim. Animator dot image. Yeah, great. So this is how we can implement animations in React Native applications.